First of all, let me open any website where I'm going to test the tabs of inspect element. I'm going to open website named as Monique Novelettes. Let it open first. And move towards the developer tools, more tools and developer tools. And you can move that developer tool according to your desired position. I'm going to move it at the right side of the window. You can see that very nicely you can move it around. First of all, let's discuss about this arrow tab, this arrow icon basically. This arrow icon can be used at various manners. This arrow icon can be used for the element to point out the element. When you click at that arrow and when you're moving around page's element, then it will show you highlighted as this is highlighting. Let's click at any element like this Monique text. It will show you the HTML of that element and you can play around that element. Here you can change the text and etc. This arrow element is very useful and very often used in that. And second tab is device toolbar. This toolbar can be opened by Ctrl plus Shift plus M as mouse over shows. I'm going to press by Ctrl Shift plus M, then Ctrl Shift plus M, then it goes towards that. Device position. You can see that it is showing very nicely at iPhone 5 SE. So you can moving around, and when you move at 568 pixel position, then it is showing like this and very nicely built, and it is showing the layout of the website at all devices. Here it is showing the laptop at 1024 positions, and then tablet position, then mobile position, and here you can select the devices where you want to see the website, how it looks like at that device. I'm going to see at iPhone 5s, then you can see that how it looks like at iPhone 5s. Then you can move it at any device according to your desired position. When you will move it like that, it is showing like that. So this is very useful toolbar nowadays, because mostly websites should be responsive at all devices, should be nicely showing at mobile devices and other devices, also tablet, laptop and desktop devices. Okay. So this tool is very useful for to play around. And next we will discuss about element tabs. You can see element tabs is showing all the HTML of the page or URL which is open currently, and when you position at any text or any menu icons or images, then you will inspect at that, focus at that, mouse focus at the text and inspect that element, and you will see that story or other element is showing. I'm going to change the story at text at home, then you can see that at home and how it looks like. So element tab is mostly used by the developer also, and general public which have no idea about element and HTML. Now let's move towards the third tab, which is known as the console tab, which is very useful and very best tabs to play around, and mostly developers use these tabs for their dynamic purpose of the website. This console tab is now at the time this website is showing multiple errors and showing that this image and the second image due to 404 error, which is not opening properly, showing that not getting the images, JPG, PNG, free images and lots of stuff. You can clear this console by using that clear console, Control plus L, and it will clear the order. When you will refresh this URL, then it will show you again. You can see that it is showing again. And now when you move towards the sources are very oftenly and very useful toolbar, because it is used for this URL, all the files and images and other stuff, means every file, every image and every element which is connected to that file will be shown at here in sources tab. You can see WP content. I can clearly say that this website is using WordPress because WP content is the WordPress folder, and you can see themes and CSS. It is showing minified CSS. Style.css you can open it as like this, and same as like JS and style main.js. So it is showing all the files which is related to that URL. Where these files are coming, you can moving towards source tab, and you can see that these files are currently open. And here you can see that WP includes folder also open here, the query files and other images loading here. So now towards move at the network tabs or network tool. This tool is basically used for the network of the source, where the source files are coming and how much resources these sources file are using. Like these networks, this network is showing that at the time style.min.css, other font style, CSS style, WooCommerce layout main and WooCommerce CSS, and all lot of other files are loading at that URL. So it is showing that how much time it is taking, 15 milliseconds, 8 milliseconds. You can see the performance of that URL also, at that how it is taking time, how much taking time, and which how can we improve the speed of the website. Status is showing that when you get the request of that, when you will request that URL, then status is showing that file is taking how much time. Then moving towards performance tabs. In this tab, this is basically the performance record of the page or a URL which is opening now. You can record it also, like using click record button here, Control plus E, and it is recording 1 second. Let's take it 4 to 5 seconds and stop it. You can see it is showing that 188 milliseconds. It is scripting and it's taking so much time. It is showing GPU, memory, listeners, nodes, documents, JS files, and it is showing that Monica Bless is the URL frames, and you can frame GPU, Chrome API. These are the frames basically using in this. You can moving around that frame and can see the performance, that how it is taking. time and how much this frame is taking resources. Now let's move toward memory. As you can see that memory tab will be shown you the memory using of the resources of that URL. It is showing that 8 MB per second is using of that URL. 1.1 MB Google this, and this, it is taking time per second, per KB per second taking time. Then application window is also very useful because it is useful for the local storage, session storage, cookies. These WebSQL and index DBs are the basically client-side database which are using at our side, mean client side, not at the server side. So cache will be shown here, application cache, and let's move to the local storage. And local storage, how much saving values? It is showing that the value 2 is showing, 94 is showing, value 813 is showing. So application is also very useful because all the values of that URL or page, you can see the resource, how much is the resources it is using at that page, and you can improve performance by using that application tab. In security page, obviously you can see the HTTPS and HTTP tabs, and which is secure website or not secure. It is using the SSL, so it is very secure page or website. And then Lighthouse is also very useful. You can generate report from here that this URL is how performing live at performance wise, progress wise, practice wise, SEO, how it is useful for the SEO purpose and mobile purpose and desktop. It is when you generate report, then it will show you full report of that URL. And mostly developers use these three tabs: element tab, console tab, and network tab. Other tabs are not using very oftenly, but these are also very, very useful tabs. So hope you will enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel and comment below